Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add new option to right click menu in Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add a new option to the right click menu in Windows, you can use the registry editor. When you right click on the screen and choosing show more options, you may notice that only certain features of apps are accessible. To customize this, just follow these simple steps. Firstly, press the Windows key and type regedit in the search bar, then press the enter. Click yes if prompted by the user account control. And the registry editor, expand HK classes root, then navigate to directory, background, shell. Right click on the shell and choose new key. Name the key after the app you want to add, for example, League of Legends, and press enter. Right click on the new League of Legends key, then choose new key and name it command. Find the executable path of the application you want to add. For League of Legends, right click on the desktop shortcut of League, choose Open File Location, then right click on the executable and choose Copy as Path. Go back to the registry editor, right click on Default under the Command key and choose Modify. Paste the copied path into the value data and click OK. Close the registry editor, right click on an empty space on the desktop and choose show more options. You should see League of Legends in the context menu. Click on it to open the application. And that's how to add a new option to the right click menu in Windows. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.